LinkedIn learners, Connor Doobie here, and one thing I get asked quite a bit with people who are just diving into LinkedIn social selling, sales growth strategy is, I don't know where to start. I don't know who to start connecting with. I don't know what to do with my hands. First off, instead of connecting with your colleagues, instead of connecting with friends, relatives, your college buddies, do this instead. Identify your list of clients within your organization, either past clients, present clients, or even prospective clients. Pull them up in Sales Navigator, get a connection request not only to your direct client, but to other people within that organization that maybe you're not servicing directly, but they're a part of that organization and they are technically a client of yours. Now, where do we go from there? So we have our connections with our client base. When we are adding new connections, that expands our ability to go to other connections. So it expands our second degree network. When I have Sales Navigator, I can literally go through to my clients' connections and filter out potential clients that my clients are connected to, or influencers within that same company of my clients, and basically use that reference point. And then once you get connected up with those people, then you're going to use that connection to expand out in that company and get the other influencers connected in with you. Like, everything starts with a connection. Once you have a direct connection with someone, you have the ability to market to them over and 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 over again. So you want to get that connection. That connection is the first place that you want to get started. It's an exponential effect that happens when you start connecting and using your connection base this way. From there, the second best people of cold prospects to connect with are ones that are already familiar with you. Analytics on your website, identify what companies are coming through and the influencers there, send them connection requests. People that are reaching out as leads in other areas, send them connection requests. And also, something a lot of people forget about are those who have already looked at your LinkedIn profile. They are much more likely to accept when you go through, rather than going through Sales Navigator and spamming out a bunch of random connection requests. Hope that's helpful. Tag someone on this that needs to see it. Drop your questions and comments below. If you need help with this, reach out to the experts, activeblogs.com. This is what we do, help our clients, help support their social selling strategies. With that, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the other side.